This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web, great pricing and customer service. Contractor discount once signed up with an account. Link in description below.
You want to drive? Yeah, you love driving. You love driving. I know you love driving. Yeah, you love driving.
State Road.
You love driving. Yeah, I know you love driving. Yeah, you love driving. Morning, guys. November 26, 2019. So here I got a call from a guy. He says
Turn right on Slocum Road.
he tried to shut his outside faucet off and it keeps dripping out there, so the inside shutoff's not holding, from what he said. So we'll go over there and probably have to change the valve out. It's a slab house. Hopefully the main shutoff works and shut all the water off to the house and put a new shutoff in so I can shut that outside faucet off. Looking very stylish. You're looking very stylish. It's dripping.
Well, actually, we should wait for the mail because Mama's not.
Alright. Ball valve, I'm surprised it's leaking. But we can change it. We can change it. No problem. Shut this off here. We'll have to change that. Hopefully that shuts off. I got the water off. Alright, so we got a compression valve because seeing it's a slab house. We'll cut that and we'll put that on there first. And then I'll worry about the top after. We gotta get the bottom on first. Clean this with sandpaper good. Get that solder off there because this is a slab house. The water's going to keep coming up this pipe, even though I got it off. So that's what I want to do. We'll cut it out of the way. That's my intent anyway. We'll cut this first with the grinder so we can get it out. Water is off, so gonna have to add a piece either way, so let me get some water. I can't stop all, fortunately. Ma'am! Hello? Yeah? You got a bath towel I can put down here? Because there's, you know, a little bit of water because it's low. It's a low area. Put a bath towel down and try to soak some of it up. There's no way I can get all the water out because this is the low area, you know?
Yep. Do you need another one or?
That should be fine.
Okay.
This is the low point. It's a slab house. I'm gonna get the water out. This is where compression comes in handy.
Sam? What's he doing?
Oh, you trying to help?
He's watching you. He said, watch the man. Yeah, is he fixing it? Yes. Fixing Papa's stuff? Yeah, okay. Wanna play with your toys? Come on, go play with your toys.
Yeah, like I said, it's a slab house, so there's no way of getting the water out of there. There's no way of getting the water out. I'm not a big fan of using these unless I have to. It is a compression valve. I'd be fighting the water if I was trying to solder it, right? We'll use this one. Sorry about the light, guys, but it is what it is. Next, we're gonna pop this off, clean this, and get a new piece in there. It shouldn't be a big deal. We'll get this popped off and wiped. It's got a sleeve in there, see it? How you doing, Mama? I got the outside open still, so I don't have to worry about that. I just need a piece coming up and an elbow. I did put a piece of cardboard down there to catch the solder. You always want to use that pipe dope on these ferrules. I mean, I learned that from an old timer once. Flux everything for soldering purposes. And then we want to put some pipe dope on this. That's what I like to do. Makes it go together. Makes it go together a lot easier with a little bit of dope on there, little frets, little dope. Little frets on there, mama. Put a little fritz on there, a little dope. Like I said, with the compression, I mean, I use them if I have to, but I'd rather not. I'd much rather solder it if I can. This would be a lot harder because it's a slab house and this is a low area. So it would take a long time to get the water out. Steaming forever. Do it this way. You want to make sure that they're tight because we don't want them blowing off. Alright, we're just going to solder that top joint and we'll be done. Solder this and we're done. That should do it. Alright, so I know this is nice and tight. I'll turn the water back on and check it. Yeah, I cut that piece of cardboard so I don't make a mess, right? Yeah, it opened everything up. Let's see how it works. I know the toilet's gonna fill, so when I open this, toilet's gonna fill. Toilet's filling. I still got the outside open. I gotta grab that snot there, I'll break that off with pliers. A little snot. That should do it. That's open. Just make sure there's nothing coming out. We'll give it a little bit. We'll check it. Make sure there's nothing coming out of that. And it should be fine. Yeah, it's not dripping. Only this. He was concerned that, you know, the other one wasn't shutting off, so. That's it. You love attention. Yeah, you love attention. I know, yeah, you love attention. You love attention. Yeah, you love attention. Yeah, you love attention.